Hey everybody, this is Ken. I am back with another accessory. This accessory comes from Teslasy, and they sent me this. Only product that I do have this display, like a heads-up display or whatever you want to call it. And this is a simple one that they did send to me, along with a few others that I'll make another video about. This video should be very fast, but it shows a 3-in-1 charging pad, and it's silicone, and it should be anti-slip for your iPhone, for the Apple Watch, and for your AirPods. Let's take this out of the box. Should be fairly simple. That's how it looks. Just like that. It feels really nice. I love the feel of this silicone. What it'll do is this part in here will basically use the charge port on the right side in order to power this pad. Here's a close-up here. As you can see, that's for the Apple Watch right there. You can pull it up, especially if you have a band on and you're charging it, just like that. And right down here is for the AirPods, and on the left side, of course, is for the iPhone. And I do have some ambient light, a little strip right there. On the video, it probably looked like it's covering it up, but it's really not. If I press down a little bit, just the lip comes up just a little bit, which is fine. Oh, it's on there now. You can see the whole light. Like I said, this is like OEM. Look like it fits it perfectly. Perfect measurements. Okay, that's my Apple Watch, and that's with the band on. But there's no way I can put that on there because I don't have the separate bands. It's kind of like the Milanese loop. Pop that out, just like that. Go down, and you'll see, well, you can't see it, it is charging. So let me take off that band, and I'll show you without the band on. So that's just the Apple Watch itself, just to prove to you that it does charge. If I do that, look at that. It's charging. You can see it. Show you one more time. It does charge. AirPods, put them in there. My AirPods are charged up, but you see that blue LED notification did come on. But everything is charging with those two. This is without the case. And it does charge. Takes it a little bit, but you see at that top, it is charging. Let's try it again. Takes it a little bit, but up there it expands and just showed that it's charging and your battery percentage. I'm gonna try it with the case on. No charge. So it don't work well with the case, probably a little bit too thick. There it is. It just worked. Okay, so you got to put it on there just right, but it does charge with the case, just a little more finicky, and it's still charging, so that's pretty cool. It's available in different colors, and this black, white, and pink as well. It will charge. Just be careful with the iPhone or Android, which if you have a thick case, really thick, and my case is not that thick, it probably will not work. But it does definitely charge the Apple Watch and the AirPods. This is nice. No cables whatsoever. I will leave the link in the description below for you. If you want to pick it up, you can use my discount. I just received this for free, just to review, just to show you. You have an option where you can do 3-in-1 down here to make it useful. This can. See you in the next video.